Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
You didn't get a big majority. The votes were split, no doubt among the winners, you all have majority. But what I want to tell you is, people in Kolba and other parts, in Chandor, who have come for that protest, now cases are against them. Please withdraw the cases. They have not done for their personal needs or personal gains. Whatever they have done in the interest of the state, don't close your eyes. Though you all are in power, don't show as if you don't have a heart. Withdraw the cases. They have suffered enough. Any question? The highway, we are very happy. We have seen now that a restaurant or something is coming up also on the bridge at Kottali. But at Kolba, Danauni, all that area, we don't want pipes. I told them Goa is a heavy rainfall area, and during heavy rains, many a time we have got cloud bursts, and if there's a high tide, the water doesn't recede. You get a backlog, and when backlog goes ahead, all the fields will be destroyed if there are pipes. As it happened this year, people cultivated their fields, and at the time of harvesting, they have been putting their mud. Many of them came to my house. I took it up in the parliament, I had a chance, and also I met the minister. I told them the road should be on the stilts. Otherwise, in case after completion of the road, if people come on the roads, I'll be also with them as a member of parliament. So the last thing is here, we have seen now people are against those 3 linear projects. Now as far as the double line is concerned, railway line, in many parts they're already constructed. But time and again I have brought to the notice of these people that from Majorda to Vasco, there should not be double line because there are houses close by. They are, as you call them, heritage houses, old houses, 300-400 years old. And when the line passes very close to that, with vibrations, it can have effect on the houses. So that should not happen. Up to Margaon or Majorda, they have already laid the line. So that is okay. They should not have beyond. So these are the issues I have already taken up. And now I want to tell our government that Parliament जे गोयचे सगळे इश्यूज जे आसा ते म्हाका वयर काडपाक सोयीक मेळ्ळो. I didn't refrain whenever I had a chance, because during COVID we could hardly talk and we could hardly meet. So this time I took up all the issues. First of all, the first issue is of jurisdiction of the port. So in the new bill, where they have changed the name of Port Trust, they have more powers. I'm not against. Earlier they have to refer many things to Government of India. Now that committee has got powers. But what I don't like, and I'm against totally, is that the jurisdiction of the port has been increased up to Betul on one side, and this side up to San Jacinto. The question is, San Jacinto is thickly inhabited, populated, and this side, when it goes to Betul, all the bridges, all the seashores beaches, they come under the newly appointed trust, which I am totally against. The people of Goa are against, because they are taking the powers of the local bodies. Municipality asat, panchayat asat, हेंको रिफर करपाक जाय. तेन्ना उल मारता आमगे गोंयच्या सरकाराक आतां तुमची असेंब्ली आसतली तेन्ना असेंब्लीन हे पॉयंट डिस्कस करया, रेजोल्यूशन कळ्यार पास करया, आनी वी कॅन have all party meeting either with Prime Minister or with the Minister concerned. कित्याक फाल्यां आमचे लोकांक आनी जे कोर्टाचे ऑथॉरिटीज आहाय तांकां झगडीं घालपाची गरज ना. So it should be as early as possible.
What do you have to say?
Nothing. Congress lost.
What are the reasons? What are the reasons?
You must
have done the post.
Vote split is fine. We can understand
I
that.
have not done post-mortem. I had done before mortem. Before that.
What was the report of it before mortem?
I knew this would happen.
Yeah.
Because the candidate also had come from BJP. If he had not gone to BJP and come back, he would have won.
पहिलीच्या आमदाराक दिले जाल्यार
जिखपाचो पयलीं दिल तेजो न्हू 100% जिखपाचो.
What you want to give message to the new committee of Congress?
Congress has changed.
That I have told them. That new committee I
But as an elderly person, as a of Congress,
as a MP who is still continuing.
yeah, MP, no doubt.
Elderly म्हाका लागना.
Senior.
Till you exactly, you can't get from.
Senior Congress.
Yes, I have told them they have to work hard, bring everybody together, then only Congress will come to the old glory. To take more interest in our state, and whatever is not accepted by the public, they should open their eyes and pass it in the assembly. MPs are ambassadors of Goa in Delhi. We can take up with the government of India, which this time I took it up in the parliament. Director General of Post and Telegraph. It was brought to my notice that many postmasters in villages who have been working for 5-6 years, they are substituted by new guys from other parts of Maharashtra, because here there is no recruitment center. I requested them to have Goa being a separate state, we should have a separate Director General. But even that, it doesn't happen. It's tolerable. But we must have a separate recruitment center, because I told them charity begins at home. We have got so many people who are educated and unemployed, so we want locals to take up these posts. Postmasters, then postmen. So this is also I took up. The third thing is